Hello friends, welcome to our channel TrekXplorers.com. In our previous video, we have taken you to Saputara region of South Gujarat and have shown you some of the beautiful and absolutely stunning places that Saputara offers us. If you have missed that video, then go for video link in our description box. So friends, in continuation to that video, we are going to witness more gorgeous places and explore more of Saputara. So let's begin. The morning is to welcome sunrise. Then how can we miss simply gorgeous place of Saputara known as Sunrise Point? So in the early morning of Saputara, we head towards Sunrise Point. So here is a parking place, and from this place you can get a bird view of Saputara. Now if you follow the arrow, you can see a lake known as Saputara Lake. We will get to it later on. This spot in itself offers spectacular view of Saputara. You can spend good peaceful time up here amid clouds, witnessing the beauty of nature. But our desire to explore more of it led us to move forward. For uphill trekking beyond Sunrise Point. Need to mention, don't get confused with misty winds and clouds around. It's not winter season, rather it is weather of Saputara in monsoon. It was not chilling up there, but calm and peaceful. If you are a nature lover, then you will truly enjoy this place. So this was the view we have captured in our camera from uphill track, and you can see Sunrise Point in this picture. Next comes another stunning viewpoint of Saputara, Governor's Hill, also known as Tabletop Point because of flat surface of the hilltop. And this lush green view could be seen only in monsoon. This point is quite popular among visitors because of various activities that takes place here, like bike riding, horse riding, camel riding, zip lining, ropeway, etc. So after spending some quality time up here, now we are heading towards another popular point of Saputara. So this is Saputara Lake, and this point attracts visitors the most. Here is a morning view of lake and there is a boating facility for visitors. We have visited this lake twice, early in the morning and later after dusk, and we have managed to capture this beautiful view of lake at night. As I have said earlier, Saputara Lake Point attracts visitors not only due to boating facility, but also there are various recreational activities takes place around this lake. I need to mention there are variety of food corners available surrounding the lake area. Also there are varied varieties of rides available both for kids as well as for grown-ups. So the whole atmosphere around this lake made this place a hub for visitors. You can say this is the famous point of Saputara. So friends, we hope you like this. We will continue from here in our next part with next destination from South Gujarat, from Saputara to Dediyapada, another stunning monsoon destination from South Gujarat. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do it now, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will not miss notification of our next video. Thanks for watching.